Hey guys, today I'm bringing you an art vlog and I don't really have a proper intro, so I just put together some clips and I'm doing a voiceover. I also lost some footage, so I don't really have a lot for some days, which you'll see for Tuesday, which is coming right up next. So I really wish I could have showed you guys more what I was doing, but I was just so busy trying to push this out before my shipping got super delayed, so I just decided to do it without getting it on video. So I'm doing business cards, because basically it's going to be for every package, it's going to have a business card in it. So this is what it's going to look like. It's going to have a discount code here, and the back it's going to say find me on social media, and that's that. For every single, I guess, package, there's gonna be a sticker on the envelope that says heyo, it's mail. I thought this is so cute, and it's kind of like a watermelon-ish kind of vibe, because this is my OC demo, so I decided to have her on almost every one of my packagings. As you could see, she's thriving and surviving. This is for printing. So these two are going to be a set. It's going to be 5x7s. I just finished drawing my happy demo. She's looking fine. I like it. I'm gonna go color her in soon. I'm just gonna do all the other outlines first. I like doing that while I'm on a roll, and then I'll color everything in at once. I actually ordered this from Amazon and I still haven't reviewed it yet. I haven't even used it. It's still literally sealed in its packaging with the plastic wrap. Oh, this way. Is it this way? Yes, this way. But I've wanted gouache, used gouache for so long, and now that I'm starting a sticker business, I haven't had time to use this. So after the 28th, be ready for a review. Like, I really want to play with these so badly, and I haven't gotten a chance to yet, and it kind of breaks my heart. I also found this. So for my packaging, I did order some from Amazon, which I'll probably be doing an unboxing later in this video. But these are kind of what I'm using. Something like this, it's not gonna look like this because I got 5x7s and then I got smaller ones for my stickers. So that's happening. Whoa, wait. So for all the packagings, I'm gonna be using these as the backing. So this is going to have cool designs. So I just quickly want to talk about my process for designing, drawing, coloring, whatever you want to call it, these chibis. But if you want me to do a full in-depth video, I can do that as well. But for quick summary's sake, I sketch it out on paper, like really crappy quality paper, and then I scan it into the laptop and I take out the Photoshop, I trace it so I get more accurate lines. I find it very hard to sketch in Photoshop, especially with my Wacom. And then I just color everything in. I normally start with hair, and then I do the skin, and I really base it on layers. You can really decide what layers go on top depending on how you do everything and what your order is and what your preference is, but then it's all good. And I normally do from like head down, and then it turns out like this. I'm eating my snack, which is cheese. Love a cheese plate.
When is Daddy
This thing has a bunch of things on it. It's a cheese product from Costco. I highly recommend. So I ordered a bunch of things from Amazon to obviously start my business. And oh, this is Tiga. This is my bonsai. Yeah, so I cannot wait to see what this is. To introduce you to a new addition to my family, meet Benny. He's an Eggs Benedict and he loves to chill there. So I want to do something kind of cute, so I'm going to be using this miso soup and I'm going to be printing it multiple times. I was going to use bento boxes, but because this is the only outline I have, I'm going to only use this. And I'm going to print it all throughout, so this is going to be going in these, which you'll see me pack tomorrow. Important part about making these stickers is making sure that I maximize the space. So I already have 4 of each, so after I'm done this I can pack 8 exactly, and I'm super excited. These look bomb. I think it goes really well together. I'm so excited. I got this from Vistaprint. I ordered it and it came in earlier than I expected, so that's always nice. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, there's a lot of air wrap in here. Okay, so these are my business cards. These are my prints. More prints. And I don't remember what is this? Oh, I think this is my labels. So I have a bunch of files here because I'm trying to edit my vlog. It is 2 in the morning. I am gonna go through these and then I'm gonna start editing it and maybe finish it tonight. So I'm really happy my order just came in and I've been waiting for this for like 3 weeks to a month. So I'm gonna bust this open and I will be doing a haul soon, so get ready for that. Hey guys, so I haven't been taking a lot of footage for the past 3 days. I don't know, I kind of had like a little burnout after making so many stickers, which is my fault. I burnt myself out and I just didn't want to create, honestly. Like I did some creating, but I didn't go like ham as I normally do, and I'm finally getting back into the groove. I mean, it was the weekend, so I'm cutting myself a little bit of slack for taking a break. Like, I want to do a bread pack, but at the same time, like, everybody has a bread pack. But I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna make a bread pack. I'm thinking about making some freebies. So when people order a certain amount of items, or like when they just order period, I'll like give them something cool. So maybe I'll do some motivational quote ones that are exclusive. That way it can be applicable to everybody. Because I know not everyone's going to want like a sushi pizza as like a freebie. So I'm thinking about that. And then I'm probably going to be doing a few other things. Like I'm almost done my shop ready. I have 2 prints, which are over there somewhere. I have 4 different sticker packs, which I will insert here, and then I'm gonna have a few singles. One of the singles is an egg tart. Otherwise, that is basically what's going on right now. I think the burnout really did cost me a lot of time. Not to say like, you know, like it's inevitable, like you're gonna burn out, but I think after this I just want to get back into painting for a little bit. I'm not gonna stop making stickers, but I'm not gonna be making like 4 stickers a day trying to grind out new products. Like I'll print them, I'll cut them if I need to restock, which I don't think I will need to. I'm not putting a lot of products up in my store. I'm only putting like 10 of each pack basically, with the exceptions of some of my favorite packs having a little bit more. I think after this I'm probably going to maybe release 3 packs, 3 to 2 to 3 packs a month, and then with a few singles, and I'll probably be releasing those because I don't want to like force myself to do art and I'm gonna be starting school soon, so I'll have less time to dedicate towards my shop. Also, on a side note, if you guys have any packs you want to see, let me know. I am so happy to suggest. Basically it. By the way, today is Sunday, and I definitely skipped a few days. Well, not really a few. I didn't really do anything yesterday. Had to drive to give my sublet her keys, and now I'm just doing my bread pack, and that's what it's like right now. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this. I haven't had dinner yet. It's like 9:30 and I'm so hungry. I am ridiculously hungry. Like, I had to eat a chocolate chip cookie, and I don't even like them that much. I like chocolate chip cookies, but I don't like the ones you buy in store. I like to make them buttery, more like make my sister make them, because I can't bake for shit. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this and I will see you guys later. Okay, one is printed. It looks like this. Oh, sorry, I'm holding it in a weird angle. Looks like this. I just need 2 more brunch bunches. But I like the packaging on that. I think it's funny. It's very me. Yeah, I'm gonna cut these up and I'm gonna do the last of the packing, and then I think I just have to print a few more singles and maybe design another freebie, and I am good. So as usual, the rest of this video is just me cutting and prepping, because that's normally what I end off with, because after I'm designing, I cut and I pack. So I just want to say thank you for watching. My shop is open, as I mentioned in this video in the beginning. So if you want, you can check it out. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time for my next art vlog, which I might skip next week because I just want to chill a little bit.